victorious fighting Buddha. Have you any idea how many would give their everything for immortality?
Immortality? For that word, all realms and beings have ruined themselves.
I sent all my brothers to test you, all the way, just for this moment. I am Erlang Shen, the true lord of manifest power. As a youth, I split open Peach Mountain to rescue my mother. Later, I was conferred the title of Qing Yuan Miao Dao Zhenjun. My third eye pierces truth from illusion. My three-pointed, double-edged spear pierces through all evil. Though I sit among the ranks of the immortals, I have always obeyed orders on my own terms. For years, I guarded the mouth of the River Guan. When Wukong became the immortal Buddha of war, I believed he'd found peace among gods and Buddhas. But heaven's wrath, it was more than even he could bear. The heavenly court claims to uphold the order of the three realms, but behind its facade, it's a prison. Built by immortals and Buddhas to hoard eternal life. To live forever, they sacrifice mortals and demons alike. So the monkey rebelled. He sought to break the chains of gods and Buddhas, to reclaim freedom and overturn heaven's order. The heavenly court responded by ordering me to lead an army of 100,000 heavenly soldiers, alongside the 4 heavenly kings and giant spirit gods, to descend upon Huaguo Mountain, to slaughter monkeys, his kin, to threaten Wukong into submission. Such cowardice enraged him. But I did not think the monkey was wrong. In fact, I admired his strength, his courage, his legacy. His struggle mirrored mine. We had both once stood defiant before the heavens. I had long awaited one who would challenge the divine order. And Wukong had a plan. The Great Dissolution Technique, a method to shatter his own cursed crown and raise a new generation of unbound Wukongs to bring revolution. So he and I put on a show. A grand play of rebellion and sacrifice. Our battle. His golden staff clashed with my spear, each blow igniting golden light. As we clashed, the 4 heavenly kings joined the fray without orders. Their divine artifacts tore through the sky toward Wukong. Sensing doom, he shifted forms into a bird and soared into the clouds. I too transformed into an eagle and gave chase, but then he screamed, a cry of pain unlike any I'd ever heard. His crown, meant to be removed, clung to his skull like a curse. Watching him suffer, my heart clenched. I nearly dropped my weapon, but the show had to go on. I struck him down with lightning and fury. The heavens split. The great sage, equal to heaven, fell to Huaguo Mountain. When he died, his body dissolved into 6 essence seeds. I took the most important one, his true essence. The others I gave to the 5 demon kings who helped us corner him. That essence, the key to overturning the 3 realms. I tried to hide it, but I needed help. Maitreya, wise and unfathomable, lent me his hand. Yet, Wukong's will, it would not fade. I waited for centuries, for a new bearer of his will, a heaven-sent child, one who would rise against the corruption of the divine. I hid the 5 essences among the demon kings. I planted my 5 brothers from Mount Mei near them, to guide and test the one fated to rise. Only one who passed all trials and gathered all essence seeds could face me. And then, finally, he came. The heaven-sent child. To test him, I held back. Yet, even so, his spirit, unyielding. So, I forced him to unleash his might, heavenly transformation. The moment I struck, I saw it. His stance mirrored the last time I pierced Wukong's chest. That memory still burns in my celestial eye. But I did not relent. My blow fell. He unleashed an earth-shattering power. It carried the energy of Wukong himself, true primal Qi. So I summoned the 4 heavenly kings, a trial by combat, each a master of supreme techniques. But the young monkey did not falter. He defeated them all. I was pleased. Then I raised the stakes. I unleashed my full strength, pushed him to the edge, and he rose to meet me. He defeated me and took back the Essence Seed. That moment, I knew. Wukong's legacy had found its heir. My centuries-long burden finally lifted. I gave him my spear, my weapon of countless battles. One day, this spear, like his staff, will strike down the corrupt chains of heaven. And from that blow, true freedom will bloom across the 3 realms. This is the tale of Wukong, told by the one who once stood against him, and now guards his legacy.